back, getting ready for another attack. You can hit me, even if I hit back. You can win, so you take a step back. Look at what you're doing, look who's here. Young and ready, and thirsty of fear. Soul is standing, I said take a step here. Fighting, knowing nothing ever be clear, but this is gonna be a good show. Kid, there's nothing left to say. I've been running every simulation. Victory is out of reach unless you never go back. I don't know what I'd expect if you said you wouldn't murder me. Vicious lies give way to time, and someday you're gonna crack. Somebody's been messing with the timeline, and there's nobody left to take the blame. But well, it sure as hell ain't mine. Nobody remembers, nobody but me. I'm the one's counting all our bodies. Look who's back. Somebody's waiting for a bad time, and there's nobody left to try and stop you. So I guess this matchup's fine. Nobody to witness, nobody to see. I'm gonna show you the real. This is gonna be a guess I have to do. What you want me to. Look who's back, getting ready. I won't save time. Look at what you're doing. Young and ready, without a fight. Kill without a fight. Be honestly, kid, I've had a bad break. Don't know how much more this can take. Dodging, gets tiring when I got nothing left waiting in the end game. Honestly, kid, I've had a bad day. Don't have anyone cheese, will not say. Dodging, gets tiring when it's all dying. We hit rewind and then here we go. Just another replay. Bad days, it's a bad day. Dodging, it's tiring when I keep fighting. And nothing seems to stop you, no matter how many times you go down. You're too stubborn and stick around. Everything stays, even as my brother's memory fades. You can't fight forever. It's time to do everything I know and rewind. Leave a promise of a future behind. Get the thought of winning out of my mind. You'll reset and then you'll do it again. You'll reset until the genocide ends one way or another.